Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everyone. Preston Vogl here. Today is Tuesday, November 16th. It is just about 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Markets aren't quite closed. Got about an hour or so for our micros market recap. Just getting into it. Looking at oil. We opened gap up, came back into balance for several opportunities for our entries based off of our HVA methodologies. Several winners. The gap fill here is right here. That is the range from high from yesterday. So we did open gap up, and now we are sitting back in balance for the remainder of the day. There. Gold. Let's scroll this back for you. Also opened gap up. That is the range from yesterday, is this HVA high volume area. Came back towards balance, eventually getting back into balance towards the point of control, giving several opportunities for entries based off of our methodologies here at Target Trading Academy. And here. Pretty low volume today. Apart from that, I mean, we're getting into holiday volume. That's okay. But apart from that, we still have several opportunities for entries. If we scroll back here, in the ES, we opened inside of yesterday's range. The ranges were out right here, where we fiddled for a good portion of the day just before lunch at this HVA edge for the most part, building volume before they decided to finally inject some volume into the market and carry it higher and just melt up from there. But we didn't really get far. There were several opportunities to take, not very many in the ES, but nonetheless, there were several, more so in gold and oil. But again, it's just holiday volume. Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq, also opened inside yesterday's range, giving several opportunities at our HVA entries. Excuse me, my throat's a little hoarse right now. But again, same story. Just eventually we got some volume to kick in after giving more opportunities than the ES. But eventually, again, kicked in, and now we are outside of yesterday's range at the moment. Now, that could change. We still have about an hour left, but for the most part, in terms of volume, it's been pretty slow today. Regardless, there have been several opportunities for entries based off of our methodologies that we teach here at Target Trading Academy. As an example, we'll get into some of the trade entries that were sent in. Roman took a entry in the micro Dow. Break even, he decided sleep was better than waiting up all night. And to be fair, that's perfectly fine. It's best to manage a trade instead of letting it run where you're not there, you can't react to it. So in my books, that was the smart decision. If he wasn't able to stay around, then he did the right thing. And another entry in micro gold, again from Roman, up $80 live, real money, refreshed from being able to sleep. He was able to better be in the state of mind for trading, which is what you should be. Yet another trade from Roman that we'll look at, up another $135, so just over $200 for him in the day, live real money on holiday volume. And then Darlene with a $34.50 loss in the micro Nasdaq, taking an entry where it was not valid, breaking rules. She was already scolded and reprimanded for this. She knew better, admittedly. She said so. But yes, we're not perfect. People are human. They make mistakes against better judgment, and they do break rules. However, that is always an opportunity to learn. And lastly, we have a entry from Brenda all the way to one edge of the HVA to the other with one lot in the micro Nasdaq, up $75 real money. If you're interested in finding out what we do, how we do it, and why we have so many live traders in our rooms each and every day consistently winning, come check us out. You can find our page on Facebook. We are Target Trading Academy, or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Visit there, reach out to a representative. We'll be glad to get in touch with you and show you why we are the best trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you in the rooms.